Hey folks, Tomo here from Tomo's Tune-Ups. Just thought I'd give you a quick update on the channel and let you know that I'm going on a hiatus for a couple of weeks whilst the Olympics are on. The Olympics are something I'm super passionate about, and I love supporting my country and getting behind. And even though it happens every 4 years, it's something I really like to dedicate a lot of time to make sure that I can support them in the best way that I possibly can. During this time, I'm going to be sitting back watching the Olympics, but also working on a couple of things I have in the background. We have the 1330 engine, in which is currently out getting machined, and we may be boring out to 1380. We may not. There's a couple of things and reasons why, but we'll discuss that in a later episode. And we have a couple of extra pieces that I've ordered as well, which is going to be really cool to discuss and talk about. Of course, we have the Black Mosquito, in which I've had a couple of issues lately with, and I've had to actually be in contact over the phone with Jeremy from Jet Motors in the US. So thank you very much for taking my call, mate, and thank you for subscribing as well and helping me through this. If you don't follow me on social media, check me out on Instagram as well as my Facebook page. I've had a couple of dramas with that recently, and Jeremy's really been able to reach out and help with the things that we're wanting to do at the moment and the struggles that I'm having. As well as that, we also have the Rylstone Classic coming up soon. It's in the middle of August next month, and I have a couple of things that I want to do to Grace, so it's hopefully going to be engine out, probably not the night before, but hopefully sometime in the coming weeks, which you guys will see. I have a couple of parts behind me here that I've backlogged for a while, so I really want to get onto that. So if you don't see me in a couple of weeks, you will see me at the Rylstone Classic for 2024. See you then.